Welcome to our tutorial, How to Use the Welcome folder. Experience has taught us that bringing and sorting all documents together in one place helps to have more orientation in daily life. We want to make paperwork easy and efficient for everyone. Here are the steps. First, carefully sort all letters and forms. It can be helpful to put the papers with the same logos and symbols together. For an easy overview, the folder is divided into 7 colors. Each color stands for one topic. Residence. You can use this topic, for example, for letters from Bundesamt für Migration und Flüchtlinge, Landratsamt, or Ausländerbehörde. German language. Here you can collect the BAMF Berechtigungsschein for your German language course, Sprachzertifikate like A1, A2, B1, B2, and so on. Money. This section is dedicated to papers, for example, from Jobcenter, Agentur für Arbeit, and also from banks. Education. This refers to all certificates or the document of recognition of your foreign qualifications. Work. This part refers to work contracts, job applications, your CV, and so on. Health. Here you can collect documents from your Krankenkasse or medical statements like a Krankenschein. Others. Here is an open space for any other kind of papers like contracts for your telephone, internet, Mietvertrag, bills, and so on. Second, don't forget to add incoming letters and information to your folder. We recommend that you take the folder with you to appointments. Third, the folder probably does not have enough space for all your documents. Therefore, we recommend that you create your own folder for each year. At the same time, this will help you be efficient and organized. The best place for your papers is the Welcome folder. In addition, you will find useful information and links to good advice regarding each topic on Integrate, a central information platform.